again, kind of get a better sense. I actually used this morning as I was trying to figure out how to get to the conference center, and I was like biking over, and I had already had a mental picture in my mind as I was showing up because I wasn't really clear sign where I was going, and I was able to kind of get myself right here. So that was really fantastic. Brian McClendon, who was one of the original folks from Keyhole, which was the company where Google Earth technology came from, also recently, or he used to, went to school in Kansas, at University of Kansas, and so he's a big basketball fan, and so he insisted that I show one of his favorite models that's available here. And what I'm going to do is I'm over here at the Allen Fieldhouse, and this is kind of an example of some of the kind of hidden treasures that you find as you start to explore in Google Earth. This is an incredibly detailed model of the interior of the Allen Fieldhouse. And Brian is a very enthusiastic citizen cartographer and really wanted to kind of help contribute to this global map that we have of the world, made this possible. And so he created this really fantastic 3D model to give you a sense of what it's going to be like to watch a game here. So one last thing I want to show is, as Marissa mentioned earlier, this idea, like 2 days ago, the whole world's attention was focused in one place. The problem is nobody knew where that place was, right? There was this sort of mythical Bin Laden's hideout, and we had people from all over the world wanting to know where this was. And this was a case where user-contributed content in the community and people participating really made a difference, because within a matter of hours, we had multiple locations where people were saying, here's what the hideout is, and it's even was immediately in our search index. So I can just type in if I type in Bin Laden in Pakistan, and I go search for our top result here. Here it is. And I can fly there and actually see and start to get a sense of and connect the dots between what does this place really feel like, what is it, how close is this really to Abbottabad and Islamabad. And it really, by being able to tap into this broader community, we really are providing a great service, because this is information where people want to be able to share it and want to be able to find it. And that's really what the power of products like Google Earth and Google Maps make available. And then one last thing I just want to show you, if I go ahead and turn the 3D building layer back on. This morning, a 3D model showed up for the compound. So not only have people in the community been able to identify what this compound is, but people have actually gone in and created 3D models for this location, submitted it, and here it is a day later, available in Google Earth on the tablet. So again, I think this is a really great example of this sort of circle of content and how we're all social animals, we're all connecting in to this digital plan. Anyway, that's it. So what we have here is a new version of Google Earth for the tablet. It's a new way for viewing 3D buildings. And this is available in the Android market now, so download it and check it out. Thanks very much.